this is another video on writing fractions as a single fraction. So I have 3 over x plus 2 plus 7 over x minus 5. So the first thing I need to do is I need to find a common denominator. Now I should use the lowest common multiple for that. And the lowest common multiple of x plus 2 and x minus 5, I'm just going to write that here, LCM, is x plus 2 times x minus 5. That's going to be my lowest common multiple. So I need my denominators to be that. Now I'm going to write the first fraction again. So 3 over x plus 2. Now to make the denominator x plus 2 times x minus 5, I need to multiply top and bottom by x minus 5. So times x minus 5 here, and times by x minus 5 here. Then I'm going to write my other fraction, 7 over x minus 5. And I need to multiply this fraction by x plus 2 over x plus 2. Now I'm going to simplify. So I'm going to have 3 times x, which is 3x. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. So I'll write that. So 3x minus 15 over x plus 2 times x minus 5. And now for this fraction, I'm going to have 7 times x, which is 7x, 7 times 2, which is 14. So that's going to be 7x plus 14. And I have x plus 2 times x minus 5 here. Now notice that I changed this order just to make it look like this one. It doesn't matter which way round we're multiplying, we still get the same result. So that's fine. Now I'm going to put them as one fraction. So I have 3x minus 15. Now I need to add all of this. So add 7x and add 14. So add 7x, add 14 over x plus 2, and I have x minus 5. Now I can simplify. So the 3x and the 7x will make 10x. Minus 15 and 14 will make minus 1. So I'll just write that again. So I'm going to have 10x minus 1 over x plus 2 and x minus 5. And that's my fraction as a single fraction now. Now this question is a little bit different. I have x squared minus 9 here, and I have 2x there, and I have a takeaway here. Now the same thing, I need to write this as a single fraction, so I need a lowest common multiple. Now this actually factorizes, so I'm going to factorize this first and write the new fraction. So I'm going to write 2x over x plus 3 times x minus 3. And I'm going to write my other fraction, take away 2 over x plus 3. Now I need to find the lowest common multiple of x plus 3 and x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now the lowest common multiple, because this is a factor here, so the lowest common multiple must be x plus 3 times x minus 3. So I need to change this fraction to make the common denominator. And this fraction I can keep it the same because this is already the lowest common multiple. So let's write that again. So 2x over x plus 3, and I have x minus 3, take away 2 over x plus 3. Now I need to multiply the top and bottom by x minus 3. Okay, so now I need to multiply the 2 with the x, that's 2x. 2 times minus 3, that's going to be minus 6. So let's write that. 2x over x plus 3, x minus 3, take away 2x and minus 6 over x plus 3 and x minus 3. Okay, so now I have a common denominator, and I have 2x take away 2x minus 6. So I need to take away all of this. So let's see what that's going to look like. So I have 2x. Now, because I need to take away all of this, I'm just going to write take away, and then I'm going to put this in a bracket. So I'm going to say take away 2x minus 6. And I have x plus 3 times x minus 3 as my denominator. Now you notice why I put this in a bracket. It would have been very easy to make a mistake. If I hadn't put the brackets, I would have only had minus 2x, and I wouldn't have had these multiplying to each other, and I would have just had minus 6 there, which would have been wrong. So because I need to take away all of this, I put this in a bracket. So I'll need to multiply out this bracket now. So minus 1 times 2x is minus 2x. Minus 1 times minus 6 is plus 6. So let's write that. So I have 2x minus 2x. And then remember, minus times minus 6 is plus 6. Plus 6 over x plus 3 times that by x minus 3. And I'll write my final answer here. Now I can see the 2x and the minus 2x, these make 0, and I just have the 6 at the top. So I can write 6 over x plus 3 times x minus 3. And that is one fraction now. So I started here, 2x over x squared minus 9, take away 2 over x plus 3. And now I have my single fraction. Now I'd like you to try these questions. So write these as single fractions. So all of these questions. So these ones only have numbers in the numerator. These have some x's. Remember to be careful when you're taking away. So do these questions and then bring them to the lesson.